My name is David Wortley. I'm the CEO and founder of 360 in 360 Immersive Experiences and a visiting fellow at Bournemouth University. My primary interests are based on the impact of digital technologies on humanity, and I am pleased to be involved in this workshop. I have created digital twins for each of the speakers and animated them using a mixture of text written by the speakers themselves and generated by artificial intelligence. Your task in the workshop is to decide which text has been written by the speakers and which is generated by ChatGPT. Good luck.
Hi, my name is Louise Morrill. I have been a graphic designer for 30 plus years, and I am a UX design consultant. I have also been a photography stylist and part of a film crew, creating films and music videos. My hobbies are trying to fix my cars, riding my BMX and downhill bike, and growing fruit and vegetables. I work full-time as a senior lecturer in music and multimedia practice, and I freelance for Learning Design Solutions UK. My topics that I will share with you today are the state of a social media mind, who's more mechanical? An AI, friend or foe?
I'm Mike Howarth. I've spent my life in education as a radio producer, as a writer for children. I've been a video journalist working in higher education with lecturers. I teach student teachers how to write, so I have 3 professional writer's tricks for you. I suggest using just 3 skills for good communication is more useful than watching AI rewrite your text. The reason is this. I observe students spend their education listening to the spoken words in their head and trying to turn those spoken sentences into written English for their essays. These experiences lead me to believe understanding how your brain uses both spoken and written English and how you move between the 2 styles is much more important than watching ChatGPT improving your text. In short, is learning writing skills better than watching ChatGPT do the work?
Hi, I am Stephen. I am a qualified and experienced telecoms engineer and systems engineering expert, coupled with experience and qualifications in marketing and education. I can provide a uniquely personal insight into the generational and behavioral development of AI systems, having taken part in experiments to test the efficacy of such AI and highlighting its current and future impacts. I studied at the University of Bournemouth and the University of Greenwich and have worked with a range of organisations across the world as well as teaching at Imperial College and King's College, both in London.
End of test slides. Thank you.